Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2023 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a sports program you like to watch. You should say what it is, who do you watch it with, when do you watch it, and why do you like watching it? So as you all can see, there are 4 questions attached to this cue card and we need to ensure that all of these 4 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are speaking. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for all of you. There are various forms of entertainment including music, television, broadcasting as well as sports which form a major part of the recreation sector, and I have always had a keen interest in watching different games, but today I would like to talk about one of my favorite sports program named Spotify Quiz Contest. So as you all can see, instead of directly jumping onto the first question, we gave a little bit of an introduction and then also clearly communicated to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to talk about. So this answers the first part of our question. So let's continue. Moreover, it is a quiz show where students from different parts of the country are interrogated on topics related to various kinds of sports, including cricket, basketball, hockey, badminton, and many others. So, for those of you who do not know what interrogated is, it simply means asking questions. So, we used a better way instead of saying asking questions, we used a better word interrogated, which will later on add to our bands for our lexical resources part. So, let's continue. Furthermore, a new episode is telecasted every Sunday, and I usually complete all my studies by then and watch it with my younger sister, who is also a huge sports maniac. Now, maniac means someone who is a sports enthusiast, like a big fan of sports. So, again, we used a better word to communicate the same meaning. So, instead of fan, we used maniac. Also, as you all can notice, we are using different connectors like furthermore, additionally, moreover, and all of these will enhance our band scores for our coherence and cohesion portion. So this completes the second and third question, which is who do you watch it with and when do you watch it. The fourth question, which is why do you like watching it, still remains. So let's continue. Additionally, this show is very helpful to enhance one's knowledge about sports and in general be aware of what's happening around the world in the field of games, while at the same time it provides enjoyable feeling of excitement for audience members by cheering during the show or celebrating a win. So as you all can see, instead of repeating the word sports again and again, we used games, we used recreation, we used entertainment. So all these are communicating the same meaning, but we are using different words and avoiding repetition of the same word over and over again. So this will again increase our band scores later on for our fluency portion. Also, we made sure that our pronunciation was quite clear at all times, right? Our voice was audible, which means we were speaking at a volume so that the examiner was able to listen to us. We were not speaking too softly that no one can hear us, or we were not shouting. Also, we were not speaking too fast or too slow. Like some students, they speak really fast, and it seems that they have learned, like they have just memorized all the answers. So I would suggest to avoid doing that. You should speak in a natural flow in order to enhance your marks for the fluency and pronunciation part. Thank you for your time everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. In the next video, I will be preparing a sample answer for another cue card topic. Meanwhile, if you do have any other topic in mind, make sure to comment down below and I will be more than happy to prepare a sample answer for that as well. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.